Here the question is to provide the structures of the monomers of given polymers. The first one is Teflon. Teflon is polytetrafluoroethylene and this is a fluoropolymer with a backbone of carbon atoms. Each carbon atoms are bonded to two fluorine atoms and the general formula is C2F4N times. This can be produced from the monomer tetrafluoroethylene by free radical polymerization. The second one is glyptal. Glyptal is a type of polyester resin made from polymerization of phthalic anhydride and glycerol. It has an ester linkage in its backbone and they are hard and durable. First, ethylene glycol is treating with phthalic acid. They will produce the polymer glyptal. The third one given is nylon 6. Nylon 6 is also known as polycaprolactam and this is a synthetic polymer made from the polymerization of caprolactam. They are known for its strength, elasticity and resistance to abrasion. And coming to the OR question, we have to write the names of the monomers of given polymers. The first polymer can be produced from hexamethylene diamine and adipic acid. The second one can be produced from 1,3-butadiene and styrene, whereas the third one is from chloroprene because the third one is a polymer known as neoprene.